Digital Chris on the rhythm. End of year reflections, we made it. Digital Chris on the rated. January dreams, heart full of plans. Life got heavy, slipped through my hands. Some days high, some days low. Smile through storms, I never know. Lost some battles, learned my way. Prayed for strength to see each day. Through the pressure, through the pain, I kept walking in the rain. We fell but we stood up again. Turned our scars into power within. I'm still standing, I didn't break. Every hit just made me brave. This year tried to pull me down, but I rise, I rise. Digital Chris on the sound, still standing stronger than before. We made it through, we want more. Whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Late nights, worries on my mind. Searching peace I could not find. Bills to pay and dreams to chase, but I kept faith in the race. Family voices kept me strong, even when the road felt long. Step by step, slow but true. Now I see a clearer view. If you're tired, don't let go. Every dark night ends with glow. Hold your head, lift your soul. We survive, we reach. I'm still standing, I didn't break. Every fall just raised my stake. End of year, we celebrate the grind. Victories in heart and mind. I'm still standing, look how we shine. We prevail and the future's mine. Through the ups and downs we defend. We face the year